Let's look at how to make Google Slides vertical or portrait. You can achieve a vertical slide layout in Google Slides by adjusting the size of your slides manually. Step 1. Open your Google Slides presentation. Step 2. Go to File Page Setup. Step 3. In the Page Setup window, select Custom Orientations from the Orientation drop-down menu. Step 4. In the Width and Height fields, enter 8.5 x 14 inches. You can adjust these dimensions as you wish. Step 5. Click Apply to save the changes. Your slides will now be displayed in vertical orientation. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.